Hey everyone, today we will look into something called Vertex AI search in GCP. So it's basically a managed service that lets you add Google quality search to your app using AI. It uses natural language understanding to retrieve most relevant data. Basically, it is managed track solution by Google Cloud. It combines enterprise search with generative AI for summarization and answering questions. So you get a ready to use rack pipeline without needing to build embeddings, vector store, retriever, and LLM orchestration. So let's dive into the demo first. So here is the Vertex AI, and we need to go into something called Vertex AI search. See existing apps, create new app. Today I would like to build a, an agent which can respond to us over the phone. So basically, let's say there is a company and you would need a receptionist. But in this case, I can actually have my agent who can respond to all the user queries. So that would be kind of search and chat. So that's the reason we'll use chat. And I'll just use a company named Technova. That's Technova agent. And again, you can choose low latency or high availability. For this demo purpose, I'm just using multi-region. And then you need to create a data store. So for the data store, you can use either of these, but in my case, I'll be using cloud storage. So I have few things in the bucket. This is the bucket I would like to use. Yeah, even though it says university bucket, I have put a, a document related to some assumed company name Technova, and then I put all the information. Select and continue. Technova data store and create. So let's create. So we just created it. So it would take few minutes to process the data. But in our case, the data is very small. So there is not much chunking, embedding, storing into vector index, all those stuff. So it would be pretty quick, I would think so. But so for this purpose of demo, I will try to integrate this agent with something called uh, dialog flow gateway. Let's go to preview, and there is something called manage, and then there is something called integrations. So Google, this particular GCP offering actually has a lot of plug and plays here. So if you see, you have variety of tools to by which you can actually integrate. But in this case, I would like to integrate with a Dialogflow phone gateway. It's just nothing but it actually offers us a phone number. Uh, so we can actually dial in and then get the responses, whatever we require. and then country code plus one request, and I can just choose any open of these. I'll just mention Technova agent, and that's it. Uh, Before we dial in and check if it works or not, I can actually go to preview and see if at all the data is ready and it already processed or not. Probably we need to refresh. Okay, it's still taking time. Let me pause the video and then come back. So now it has processed uh, the documents, and now we are ready to test it out. So let's go to preview, manage integrations, manage. That's the phone number. I can dial in. I can't show you my phone, but you can listen the voice of a AI agent and its responses. To make things clear, what I have done is I have integrated the same Techno agent to the Slack, and I did ask few questions and it was able to answer me as expected. So what I would like to do is I will probably ask the same questions so that you know what answer is expected from the agent over the phone. So let me dial in. Greetings. How can I assist? Can I know when was Technova founded? Technova Corp was founded in 2016. Can you please list all the major products offered by Technova? Technova's major product suites include NovaMind AI Platform, a unified AI orchestration system designed for enterprise-scale automation. NovaBot, an AI-driven virtual assistant for HR, sales, and customer support teams. InsightFlow, a data analytics and visualization platform with built-in AI-powered forecasting. TensorLink, a secure edge computing engine optimized for AI workloads in real-time industrial environments. Can I know how many funding rounds has Technova completed? Technova has completed 4 rounds of venture capital funding. Say that one more time. Can I know what are the official company holidays in November 2025 for Technova? Technova has two company holidays in November 2025. Thanksgiving Day, November 27th, Thursday, day after Thanksgiving, November 28th, Friday. Okay, thank you. Thank- So hope you are able to listen all the responses from the agent. So that's it from the demo part. If you have any questions on how to integrate this particular agent with the Slack, please comment below. I should be able to help you. Thank you.